Hello, everybody. Welcome back to school. I'm so happy to be your teacher and to be able to teach you online. I know this is going to be a very different situation for all of us. So I just want to make sure that you know how to get on to our Zoom meetings. So all you're going to do is go into your Elearn. Go. And then you're going to choose your course. Apparently my computer is very slow. I hope this computer even works. So you're going to scroll down to find your course. This is ours right here, Beginning Reading and Writing, B1. And it should open to the home page. So here is our home page. You're going to click on the folder that says Zoom. And then you just click here, week 1. And I think it won't surprise if everything is very slow because of so many people using the internet. So I'm really sorry. Even my video is taking a long time to show you how to do it. So if nothing comes up, especially if you've never used Zoom before, you're going to click here where it says download and run Zoom. Mine should come open, I hope, because I've already, there we go. So it should just open up, and then you're going to click join with video, unless you don't want to join with video, and then you can just say without video. Either one. I prefer with video, but if you don't want to, that's totally fine. So that is, and maybe I'll just click it to show you. So there it is. I'm going to click out now because I don't want to start a video. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can always send me an email and I am going to send you more videos to help you learn how to navigate on Elearn. Thanks. See you soon.